How to hide comments on your Instagram's post. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide your comments on Instagram posts. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and go to your profile. Click on those three lines up there and click on setting. Now click on privacy and click on hidden words. Now, like you see, I am already turned on hide comments, and also click on hide comments that content word on your custom list and similar misspelling will be hidden. And this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.